Here are some tips and tricks when installing nail-down flooring. Using a rubber mallet, tap the tops of the boards to pull them into place. Follow manufacturer's instructions or NWFA guidelines for which fasteners to use and how far apart to space them. And always complete the entire room before moving furniture back on the floor. For a variety of floor installation and maintenance materials, visit your local Floor & Decor and at flooranddecor.com.